Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to science classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will be learning about harmful microorganisms. You will learn about pathogen, then you will learn about infectious diseases and communicable diseases. So let us start with what is pathogen. A microorganism which can cause disease is called a pathogen. And there are different types of disease. Here we'll focus on two types. One is infectious disease and another is communicable disease. A disease which is caused by an infection or entry of a microbe or any other organism or foreign organism in our body is called infectious disease. So for example, cholera or tuberculosis or COVID-19, these are infectious diseases. Communicable disease. Some diseases, they can spread from one person to another person, and such diseases are called communicable diseases. So the common cold, then tuberculosis, these are communicable diseases. Polio, that is a communicable disease. This table shows various pathogens. This column is showing the name of pathogen, disease caused by the pathogen, and mode of transmission, that is how the disease spreads from one person to another person. So number one is Plasmodium, and Plasmodium causes malaria, and malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Number two is dengue or dengue virus. It causes dengue, some people call it dengue, and this is spread by the bite of Aedes mosquito. Then we have rhinovirus. It causes common cold, and the common cold or rhinovirus spreads through droplets in air. So when someone sneezes or coughs, the fine droplets containing rhinovirus, they enter the air, and when somebody else breathes that infected air, he can catch cold. Even COVID-19 spreads in the same manner. Then there are some bacteria which cause cholera and diarrhea, and cholera and diarrhea spread through contaminated food or water. When somebody consumes contaminated food or water, he may get cholera or diarrhea. Hepatitis B virus causes hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is a disease of liver, and in the long run it destroys the liver, finally leading to the death of the patient. Hepatitis B spreads through exchange of body fluids. So it can spread through exchange of blood, saliva or semen. HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, causes AIDS. AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and AIDS spreads in the same manner as hepatitis B, that is through exchange of body fluids. So I talked about harmful microorganisms. I talked about the difference between infectious disease and communicable disease. Then I talked about some pathogens, diseases caused by them, and mode of transmission. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.